The development of the times promotes the progress of society. Technological innovation can make the company brilliant. Vast China, charm of Zhejiang, the Jiya company is located here. Adherent to the traditional craftsman's breed, dedicated to the development and creation of refrigeration equipment, dozens of brand detailing and industry construction. Jiya company became a broad player in the refrigeration industry in eastern China. In 1985, Zhejiang Jiya Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited was founded in Xinchang. After 29 years of baptism in the industry, in 2004, Zhejiang Jiya's brand branch, Shanghai Jiya, was established in Shanghai. In 2014, the headquarters of Zhejiang Jiya was established in Changxing, east of Taihu Lake and west of Bianshan. For more than 30 years, Jiya has been rooted in the refrigeration industry, gathering wisdom and ideas. It was initially a simple refrigeration accessory assembly company, but it successfully achieved annual sales in the range of hundreds of millions of enterprises. From the initial anonymity to today's refrigeration stars, Jiya sing a song of praise and soaring.
我从事制冷行业30多年以来，一直秉承客户至上、质量第一的原则，为Jiya制冷乘风破浪、扬帆起航。
After 30 years of accumulation of research and development, Jiya Refrigeration was formed. 1. Air cooler, standard air cooler, efficient air cooler, water frosting air cooler, fin-type air cooling condenser, FNH, FNV, FNU. 3. Compressor condensing unit, fully enclosed air-cooled unit, semi-enclosed water-cooled unit, pistons parallel units, screw units. 4. Non-standard products. With superb technology and reliable quality and perfect after-sales services, the company's products are sold at home and abroad. All the provinces in China have distributor of Jiya, as you can see the products from the Jiya brand. Jiya products have penetrated into the major areas of people's daily lives and industry production, food engineering, medical and healthcare, aviation information field, friendly cooperation with famous brands. Many success stories are the best answer of Jiya's achievement. The broad performance is the embodiment of strength of Jiya's manufacturing capacity. In 2018, Jiya's annual production capacity reached 5 million square meters of chiller concentrators and more than 50,000 units. Its rate of annual mass production is growing at a rapid rate of 30%. Using innovation and time dialogue, Jiya Refrigeration is constantly introducing advanced refrigeration equipment technology. It also continues to enhance its independent research and development capabilities, recruiting cutting-edge talents in the industry. Jiya people adhere to the manufacturing philosophy of excellence. Each accessory used has stringent technological requirements. Through standardized production processes, each product can withstand the test of survey code. The company has a sound quality management system and has now obtained ISO 9001 quality system certification. The company obtained a production license that was issued by the official inspection agency of the refrigeration industry in China. Standardized management system certificate repeated Star of Enterprise growth, transformation and upgrading model enterprise. Science and Technology Progress Award, the most growth components and other honors. The company cooperates with major universities every year to develop research and development projects. In 2018, through continuous innovation, DIA was successfully listed as a high-tech enterprise. We have established strict quality control inspection processes, strict mutual inspection strategies for each production process, pre-examination inspection routines to ensure product quality and reliability, regular maintenance schedules for equipment, and continuously increase our use high-precision equipment. The company strictly selects its parts suppliers to strictly control the production process. It engages in rigorous department quality inspection. The backend is firm. The delivery group has timely communication and delivery. The company prevents after-sales services in every possible way, which is perfect for the refined management of DIA. DIA is a cool business. It is also a company that has a passion for fire. It has an incentive mechanism to make the sales team enthusiastic. The management concept of liberalization makes the management team obey their duties. A wealth of entertainment life makes DIA a humanized enterprise. To choose DIA is to choose high-quality products and efficient service. Choose DIA is to choose a trust, a commitment. DIA, we look forward to working with you to create a brilliant future.